Profit Hammer is an advanced auto-trading bot that uses artificial intelligence to trade cryptocurrency and forex pairs. The bot has been designed to make trading more accessible and profitable for novice and experienced traders. It has also been back-tested on past feeds dating 12 to 48 months in the real trading environment. The Profit Hammer team has developed the bot with a unique algorithm that analyzes market data in real time and makes trades accordingly. The bot is used as a plugin with either MT4 or MT5, but as of now, only the MT4 version has been launched by the team, and MT5 will be launched soon. We are constantly researching and improving the algorithm, meaning it will keep improving over time. What is Profit Hammer Bot? Profit Hammer Bot is a multi-purpose tool that can be used by a beginner to completely automate the trading, to an expert-level trader who understands some basic technical and fundamentals of the market to semi-automate it and use it as a tool in his trading. Profit Hammer Bot uses built-in filters to get the best entry and exit points, and uses a grid system to trade and get out in profit. Filters combine built-in and custom indicators, whose values can be edited if needed. These filters help to filter out wrong entries, and give near-perfect entries and exits. The bot has advanced features to control risk, entries, exit, take profit, stop-loss levels, maximum trades, etc. How is Profit Hammer Bot used? Profit Hammer Bot is used as an expert advisor, to attach it to an MT4 or MT5 trading software as a plugin. Benefits of using Profit Hammer Bot. Stay ahead of the game with auto trading. Let the bot handle the trades, and do all the work while the user relaxes. Can scan the market and come up with profitable trades. Monitors and trades 24/7 on the user's behalf. Trading has never been easier or more profitable. Free from human emotions and interactions. Not prone to emotional decisions, fear or greed. Follows strict guidelines. Can be used as fully automatic or semi-automatic as per the need. Perfect trading tool for both beginner and experienced traders. How does it benefit the user? The bot does the work users hate doing. Say goodbye to manual work, for the bot does everything with streamlined and structured processes. Simplified workflows, reduced errors, and lets the users spend more time focusing on the growth of the business. Some features of the Profit Hammer Bot. Analyzes the market to find eligible entries. Can be used as a fully automated or semi-automated tool. Users can select lot sizes and have risk management. Optimized settings are shared on a timely basis. A complete guide and walkthrough of the setup are provided. Affordable one-time fee. Back-tested in multiple pairs. Referral and Reseller program. Conclusion. Harnessing the power of AI, users can trade and make profits 24/7 by improving trading strategy and risk tolerance with financial scores, portfolio insights, and more. Profit Hammer is changing how people trade cryptocurrency and forex, and is quickly becoming the go-to platform for anyone looking to make money from these markets. About Profit Hammer team. Profit Hammer consists of a team of experienced crypto and forex traders, with a combined experience of 20+ years in the financial industry. The team is passionate about making Profit Hammer the best auto trading bot in the world. The company offers a simple, user-friendly bot that makes it easy for anyone to get started with crypto and forex trading. It believes everyone should have the opportunity to profit from the markets, and aims to make trading accessible. Profit Hammer is the only bot a user will ever need to trade crypto and forex successfully. It is easy to use and reliable and has consistently outperformed the competition with its sophisticated algorithms. The team is dedicated to helping you succeed in trading.
See a few backtested results done by Profit Hammer Bot Expert Advisor. see the ways you can earn with Profit Hammer bot. You can earn through trading with the bot, and also you can earn handsome amount by referring to others. Types of referral program. Online affiliate program. This program is for people who want to refer others using our affiliate link. On each referral, you will be paid up to 40% of the license fee. Reseller program. This program is for people who want to sell our AIR offline. They have to purchase 10 copies minimum to resell it. On each referral, you will be paid a flat 40% of the license fee. We have been featured in top financial websites, news portals and journals. Some of them includes Market Watch, Daily Herald, Fox Network, Digital Journal, AZ Central, Star Tribune, Street Insider, etc. Any questions? We are happy to hear from you. You can contact us any time of the weekdays. You can email, WhatsApp, or contact us on Telegram. For more detail, visit our website www.profithammer.com.